How to set one single name on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm sure to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged in to your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select on the gear icon, and as you select on the gear icon, it will lead you to settings and privacy. So just tap on see more in account center. As you do that, tap on your profiles over here. Then select on your profile and here tap on the name section. So as you tap on name, you can see this first name, middle name and last name. So first, for example, let me just show you by removing the last name over here and then tap on the review change. But the review change option is not possible over here. So this shows that it is not possible to set only one single name on Facebook. You have to have first name and last name. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.